my name is Stan Forrester, and this is a short video on how to embed a PowerPoint into your Canvas course. I'd like to thank Elizabeth Pruitt for taking a few moments this afternoon and walking me through the process. But in the spirit of watch one, do one, teach one, I'm hoping that this little video helps cement the procedure in my own mind. Okay, so interestingly enough, we don't even begin in Canvas. We're going to go to Outlook and OneDrive. And once we go to OneDrive, open up. Previous to this, I went ahead and I created a folder called Public. And just simply go down here, New Folder, Public. I doubt very much that that's actually necessary. I think the important part is the file that I actually dragged in. So I dragged and dropped a PowerPoint file here. And then I need to go down to Manage Access. All right. So we have this window here for managing access. It's not the same as sharing, but managing access. And I would click on here and type everyone. And this one right here, the circle E, everyone except external users. And then I'm going to click that notify because I don't want to take a chance on spamming people. So I'm going to grant access. Access granted. Click. And if we were to go back there, let's see, manage access. You can see that I'd already done that, but I wanted to walk you through the steps. Now I'm going to double click on the file. I'm going to double click on this file. Open it up. It may take a few moments for the file menu to go from shaded out to being bright enough to indicate you can actually open it. But when I do, I'm going to come down here to share, and I'm going to click on embed. And for some reason, yes, we can see it now. All right, I couldn't see this whole dialog box earlier. But we have some dimensions, and I'm going to click this one here that looks like a good size. And then I'm going to click here, and it automatically highlights the entire bit of HTML code. And I'm going to copy it. Now let's go ahead and close this. And I'm done with OneDrive. And we're back in Canvas. So I'm going to come over here to my sandbox course. Okay, we clicked on modules. It took a little bit for the page to load, so I edited that part out. I'm sure that you all know what a slowly loading page looks like. But I'm going to go to the top of one of our modules here, and I'm going to click this. And I could add an assignment if I wanted, but for this case, I'm just going to add a page. And I'm going to add a new page. This is my PowerPoint test page. And I'm just going to indent it 3 levels, just to why not? So I'm adding the item, and I can see it down here. I'm going to go ahead and double click that, try to enter it. I'm going to edit. Now I'm here in my PowerPoint test page. I can edit this. I'm going to go to the HTML editor, because that's what we copied before, was a bit of HTML code. Use Control-V to paste that code in, and I'm going to save and publish that. Now again, this is my sandbox page, so nobody can see this. Right. And so this is what it looks like. This is my PowerPoint. Here is a bell ringer, and can I navigate through it? Indeed I can. And I know there's lots of things you can do with PowerPoint, with presentations and clickable links and things like that. But I'll learn those later, but that's how you get a PowerPoint actually embedded in a Canvas page. Okay, I hope that helps, and I hope this helps me remember what I was doing.